Hi everybody, Northern Sparkle here. How you guys doing tonight? It is 7:20 on June 27th. It's overcast here in Ontario, Canada. And I'd like to welcome you all in to my channel. So I thought I would do a little bit of an unboxing for you tonight. It's the next canvas that I'm going to work on for the month of July. So let's get into it. There's a few other items that I also want to show you guys. So let's put these guys off the side. And we'll get into it. So look at this. Look at the sun here. I thought this would be the perfect painting for summer. It's a beautiful butterfly, you know. I guess it would be a sunflower. I guess not. Yeah, it'd be a sunflower, not a sun. I guess. Still speaks summer to me. So here's all the drills that came with it. See if we can get these opened up and show you. And I'm going to kit this guy up probably tonight. So you guys, this is a 32 color canvas, 32 colors, 50 by 50. So this one has symbols and I guess some alphabet. So there's quite a few colors here. So this is a beautiful, I guess you would call that burgundy. Some green there, tan, some blue, brown, some more blues there with some hitchhikers. I guess you call that skin color. I don't know if they're the same or not. Yes, they are. And there's the orange. I think that is the same as well. Yeah. A couple more oranges, yellows, purple, type of olive green, I guess. There's some gray. This guy has a lot of browns, different shades of browns and yellows and oranges. Just beautiful. Some purple. That does look like it's black. Yes, it is 310. And there's another beautiful lilac color. So that's on one frame. There's some green colors for the leaves. Mint. There's a little bit of a pink, another burgundy. I believe that's a white, off-white. Type of blue, another burgundy, brown. So here we get into the special drill. This one here has two ABs, I believe. There's one of them. Beautiful yellow. This one also has a crystal drill, which is a purple. And look at that fantastic pink. That is just simply gorgeous. There's that. Then I did a bit of shopping on Temu. And I had one of these lying around, and I don't know what has happened to it. Whether I threw it out or whatever happened. But I had to buy a new one of these guys. Sorry for the crinkling. And this is a straightener for your canvases. So basically just do this with it. It's got all the bubbles and everything. Or if you use release paper, it's a good way to flatten them out, make sure they're good to the canvas too. So there's that. And then speaking about release paper, I have a whole bunch of release papers lying around. They're all over the place, here and there, getting wrecked. So I thought, I seen these on Temu again. They come in a package of 2. And they are release paper holders. Keep them safe. See if I can get into this. There we go. So again, it came in a package of 2. Oops. I pretty much only need 1. My rollers being so here I have some of my release papers that I use. And all I do is just put them in there. And then this stuff here is the stuff that I also bought from Temu. Release paper. And they fit in there like so. So it's nice and safe. You can reuse them all over and over again until at least they can't stick anymore. And no more flying around if I have the fan on or anything like that. It's a nice little invention there. So that's all for me this time, guys. It's all for me for now. Again, I'm going to get this kitted up tonight and possibly even started. At least I'm hoping. It's going to take a while to kit this up, I think. But don't forget to smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, comment, share if you have a place to share my video. And I recommend, I would invite you to go and check out all the rest of my videos on my channel. And you guys have a wonderful day, night, evening, wherever you may be in this world. Talk to you soon.